Complex tissues. A tissue that consists of several kinds of cells, but all of them function together as a single unit is called as complex tissues. It is of two types, xylem and phloem. Xylem. Xylem is a complex tissue which is mainly responsible for the conduction of water and mineral salts from the root to other parts of the plant. Based on the development, xylem are classified as primary xylem, which is developed from procambium, secondary xylem, developed from vascular cambium, protoxylem, which is the first formed xylem, metaxylem, which is the later formed xylem. Xylem is made up of four kinds of cells: tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, and xylem fibers. Tracheids. Tracheids are the fundamental cell type in xylem. It is a tube-like cell having tapering ends. The walls are thick due to lignin deposition. It is non-living without protoplast. The tracheids possess various kinds of thickenings on their walls during development. The tracheids are classified as annular, spiral, scalariform, reticulate, or pitted. They possess numerous pores on the walls. Vessels. Vessels are perforated at the end walls. They occur parallel to the long axis of the plant body. Due to the dissolution of the entire end walls, a single pore is formed, and as a result, water can move from cell to cell without any resistance. This enhances conduction from root to leaf. Vessels are characteristic feature of angiosperms. In many plants, they are absent in stems and leaves. Xylem fibers. Mostly, they are sclerenchyma cells. They give additional mechanical support to the plant body. They are dead cells. Their walls are thickened and the central part, that is the lumen, is narrow. Xylem parenchyma. The parenchyma cells associated with the xylem are known as xylem parenchyma. It is a living tissue among the xylem components. The cell wall is thin, made up of cellulose. They store food reserves in the form of starch. They assist in the conduction of water. Phloem. It is a complex tissue and its main function is to conduct food materials to various parts of the plant, and it also stores some food reserves. Depending upon the development and origin, phloem may be classified into primary phloem, which is formed from procambium, secondary phloem, formed from vascular cambium, protophlorium, which is the first formed phloem, metaphlorium, which is the later formed phloem. Phloem is composed of four kinds of cells, that is, sieve elements, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fibers. Sieve elements. The sieve element is the fundamental cell type of phloem. They are the conducting element of phloem. They have thin primary walls. The end portion of the cells contains numerous pores and it looks like a sieve. They are arranged one above the other and contains thin layer of cytoplasm. The presence of cytoplasm is an important feature through which conduction of food materials takes place through the cytoplasmic strands. Companion cells. These cells are associated with the sieve elements. They are thin-walled and elongated with specialized parenchyma cells. Companion cells have cytoplasm and nucleus. Companion cells are present in angiosperms and absent in gymnosperms and pteridophytes. They assist the sieve elements in the process of conduction. Phloem fibers. They are the sclerenchyma cells associated with phloem and they are called phloem fibers or bast fibers. They are narrow, elongated, with thick walls and a small cell cavity. They are the dead tissue and they assist in mechanical support. Phloem parenchyma. The parenchyma cells associated with phloem are called phloem parenchyma. They are living cells and store starch and fat. In monocots, phloem parenchyma may be absent. Thank you. Have a good day.